So you're sold on building a world. Now comes the real question. How? Because you have options. You can bring a customer to life, you can sketch out a future. You can stage the front page of a newspaper years from now, or put a finished artifact right into someone's hands. But these don't all serve the same purpose. Focus on the wrong aspect of your world or design for the wrong audience in mind, and it will fall flat. So I use a simple map to guide my choices. It shows 4 kinds of worlds you can build based on 2 questions about your audience. Where are they now, and where do you need them to go? Let's build this out together. The first question forms the horizontal axis. Is this about today or about tomorrow? Sometimes you need to ground people in today's reality, a customer's pain point, the problem you're trying to solve, and where things stand right now. Other times, they understand today's reality, but what they can't see is future possibilities. The second question sets the vertical axis. Do you need to align people or gain commitment? Sometimes the job is to create shared alignment, getting everyone seeing the same thing. And sometimes people are aligned, they're just not moving. Then the job is to drive commitment, turning that alignment into action. Put those 2 questions together, and you get 4 quadrants representing 4 intentions of the world you built, based on what you need them to believe. Let's take a look at each quadrant. Build empathy. Maybe your team is misaligned, maybe they don't even agree on the problem. Start by helping them see the world through someone else's eyes. Move them from observing the customer to better understanding what their life is like. For example, take the customer quotes you already have and let AI shape them into an immersive audio story. A voice in the room demands active listening. It lands differently than one more line in an already busy report. Explore possibilities. Perhaps your team understands the customer, but they can't picture the future. Or everyone has a different vision, so you use AI to help them imagine potential futures and then invest in them. Put several versions of what the future could look like in front of people, and they might say, I like options 1 and 3, but not 4. That conversation helps the team find the path forward together. Notice those 2 sit on the same row? They are both about getting people to see the same thing. Customer quotes become a voice in the room. A blank future becomes options you can choose between. But sometimes your audience already sees it. They're just not moving. That's the bottom row. Make the stakes real and build conviction. We go deep on both inside our course. So there's your map, with 4 ways that world building can help drive your story forward, and 2 questions sitting under all of them. Where's my audience now, and where do I need them to go? Answer that, and the world you build is the one that moves them.